What's up YouTube? Today we are making a Sri Lankan style cashew nut curry mixed with green peas and beef liver cooked with creamy coconut milk. This is going to be absolutely delicious. This is prepared in a Sri Lankan Muslim style, so hope you guys will like it and enjoy. I have the pan here nice and hot. I put in some coconut oil and I'm frying some ginger garlic paste. Always use a fresh ginger garlic paste. You don't want to burn the ginger garlic paste. And now I'm adding the pandan leaf along with some curry leaves. Mix it well, give it a good fry, and some red onions. Fry it well. Do not burn the garlic and ginger. Keep the gas on a medium gas mark. I'm going to add in some green chilies. With the green chilies, I'm going to add some cumin seeds. Cumin seeds is absolutely delicious. It adds a beautiful flavor to the dish. Fry it well. Make sure the gas is on a medium gas mark. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the carrots. I've cut it into cubes along with the potatoes. Also cut it into cubes. And followed by some tomatoes. Tomatoes chopped. 2 tomatoes chopped into 2 pieces. And now I'm going to cover it up, mix it well, cover it up, cook for 5 to 6 minutes, and then after that I'm going to throw in my cashews. The cashews is absolutely beautiful. It adds a beautiful texture to this dish. So let me cover this dish for 5 to 6 minutes. And now the potatoes and the carrots are pretty cooked. Now I'm adding in the cashews. You can add how much ever cashews you want. Depends on how much cashews you want it to be in the dish. So mix it very well before we add the spices. And afterwards we are adding the beef liver. Add the beef liver at this stage. And cook the beef liver along with the other ingredients. Mix it very well. You're gonna love this dish. This is absolutely delicious recipe. This is one of the Sri Lankan delicacy. It's just amazing. The first thing I used to have in any Sri Lankan wedding is the cashew nut curry. We're gonna go ahead and add in the spices. I'm adding in some cumin powder. Cumin powder is absolutely delicious for this dish. After the cumin powder, I'm gonna add some turmeric powder. Just a teaspoon of turmeric powder, not too much. And some, after the turmeric powder, a little bit of chili powder. You don't want it to be too hot. Just a mild spice, very creamy curry. Chili powder and crack some pepper. Mix it very well. So just 4 spices: cumin powder, turmeric powder, a bit of a chili powder, and pepper. Mix it very well before we add the peas. Mix it thoroughly so the spices get coated very well with the rest of the ingredients. After about 1 to 2 minutes, we will be adding the green peas. Always some salt according to your taste, not too much. Salt is always according to your taste. Now we're going to go ahead and add the green peas. Just maybe half a cup of green peas. Green peas, make sure you add this at the last stage because this peas get cooked very fast. You don't want the green peas to be very mushy. If you add it at this early stage, it's going to be very mushy. So always add it at the last stage. So mix it very well so all the spices get coated with all the ingredients. Now we are going to add the creamy coconut milk into this dish and cover cook for 5 minutes, and the dish is done. Add the creamy first extract of the coconut milk and cover the dish, cook it, and the dish is absolutely beautiful and it's cooked. All you got to do is adjust the salt according to your taste, and then cook some Sri Lankan basmati rice, and you will absolutely love this dish. You can just have it with the rice itself. It's just beautiful. Look at the dish. I've finished cooking it. absolutely beautiful. The cashew is cooked. The cashew adds a beautiful texture. Everything is pretty cooked. Hope you guys like this recipe. Do try this. This is a Sri Lankan style Muslim cashew nut curry with some chickpeas and beef liver. Give it a try, guys. Do subscribe, and I will make more of the recipe videos. Love you all. Have a great, wonderful day.